Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So you can probably tell from the setup that it's very similar to the video I posted a couple of days ago, and that is because I am going to film another unboxing straight after I finish filming this one. Now for those of you that watched that video that I released a couple of days ago, you'll know that I've got like 8 or so parcels built up, and I need to start getting through them because there's people on the Silver Forum messaging me trying to confirm if I've received the things they've sent me, and I have to keep saying to them, I'm going to get there, I'm going to get there. I need to unbox them on a video. As soon as I've unboxed them, I'll leave you feedback and confirm receipt. So I thought I'll go straight into another unboxing and I'll make it a separate video because the other video was about 15 minutes long, I think. So let's get straight into it. What have we got here? Really nicely packaged. Now the thing when you're buying from the Silver Forum, not only do you save VAT because you're buying second hand, but also you're buying from people that are really passionate about precious metals. A lot of people that are on the forum have been stacking for many years, so when you buy precious metals it always comes really nicely protected. Look at this, they haven't just chucked it in the jiffy bag, they've wrapped it up in this kitchen roll as well to stop it rattling around. And that is the difference when you buy from people that aren't passionate about precious metals and they're just trying to make a quick profit and they're not really into stacking and all the rest of it. You don't get this level of care. Now I've always thought that whenever you get a package, the more protected it is and the more secure it is, the more you know that that person values precious metals and has their own stack and has been stacking for a long time, because they want you to get the coin in the condition that they've kept it in the whole time they've had it. Wow, this is cool. Now I've wanted one of these for quite some time now, and I can't remember who posted a video fairly recently showcasing this coin. It might have been Cy Sterling, but I will confirm who it was if I can find the screenshot. Whenever I see a coin that I really like, I always screenshot the video so that I can give them a shout out. Now I saw this coin many years ago and I forgot about it, and like I said, I will put on the screen now who recently showed this in a video, and it reminded me that I really wanted to add one of these to my stack. Now the maple is one of my favourite coins, and what I like about this is it looks very similar to the silver maple, but you've just got the Superman logo in the middle instead. So really cool. Let me know what you think about this coin. These coins contain a little bit of a premium. And what I love about this coin is, this is what's so good about the Silver Forum. If you want to find a particular coin, instead of going on eBay and searching for that coin and searching around and then having to research the seller and check how much feedback they've got and work out if it's legit and all the rest of it, you can literally go onto the Silver Forum. You can create a topic, you can make it a wanted topic, and you can type in whatever coin you're looking for. So you can put on there, I'm looking for a Superman Canadian silver 1 ounce coin, and then you let people come to you. So they do the hard work for you. Instead of you having to search around and look through all these different people's feedbacks, they will reply to the topic with all these people that have got one of these in their stack that they're willing to sell. So then suddenly you're just bombarded with loads of different people that have these in their stack, and it makes it so much easier because instead of you having to trawl through loads of different eBay ads to try and find one of these, you can actually just scroll down, pick someone that's got a big reputation on the Silver Forum, someone that's been on there for many years, that's sold many pieces of precious metals, pick the one that has a reasonable price, and then you can buy it. So I think when I created the topic on the Silver Forum, it only took a few hours before a number of people had already reached out to me and said they had one that they were willing to part with. So yeah, really cool. Great bit of silver. Like I said, they do contain a bit of a premium, and I am trying to cut down on premium purchases. I don't really want to be adding too much premium silver to my stack. I want to be adding more generic stuff. Now I will still be picking up some cool pieces along the way, but I found it very difficult when I did that experiment a few weeks ago when I went through my stack and I was deciding which pieces to sell. Oh, that was pointless putting on the gloves, wasn't it? I found it very difficult to part with my coins that had the different designs on them, and that is why I decided that going forward I do need to to be adding more kind of standard generic pieces of silver to my stack, just so that in the future when I come to liquidate, it's not such a hard task to do. But like I said, I will still be adding more premium pieces as we go along, because that's what keeps it exciting, that's what keeps the hobby interesting, and that's what, let's face it, you guys that are watching my videos like to see. Because some people that watch my videos, their stack consists of just monster boxes and just big bars of silver, and they don't agree with buying all these little more expensive high premium pieces, but they like watching these sorts of videos because they get to appreciate the different designs and things that are out there without actually buying them themselves. So yeah, I do still like to pick up pieces like that along the way. Let me know what you think about that, one of my shorter videos today. As always, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a very nice day. But you've just got the Spider-Man logo, but you've just got the Superman logo in the middle instead.